guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so very much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having the most wonderful day. I'm just going to open a tin of juice because my throat is a little dry. But today, guys, I have got some really fun stuff that I picked up at Home Bargains. I'm super excited to show you guys. So without any further delay, I'm going to get started. So guys, you know, I try where I can to use my reusable bags. This happens to be one of my favorites. I love it. So this is just a straightforward reusable bag that I want to show you some interesting things that I bought. So I recently purchased a coffee machine, and my other half is obsessed with, he's obsessed at the moment with espressos. So I purchased an espresso cup that cost me, cost me £5 from eBay. I thought I was getting a really good deal, but in Home Bargains, I saw these Tognana, I'm not really sure how to say that, little espresso cups. They're a set of 3 and they were $3.99. So I'm super excited about these. I did open them in the shop to just have a little look, and I think they are really adorable. Now the espresso cup that I bought for my other half, it's smaller than this cup and not as pretty. But I just think these little cups are so cute. You get 3 different colors. Let's pop them all out. You get one that says coffee and it has yellow inside. Really cute. You have happiness, and we have like a peach color. And then you have this green color that just has a coffee mug on top. So I'm super excited, if I don't break them, that I got these little mugs for $3.99. I think really, to be honest, I didn't really look around on eBay to see if there was any cheaper ones. I just wanted to get him one. So I am really excited. I don't even know why I'm putting these back in the box, because I'm going to keep them out anyway. But I'm really, really excited to have got 3 cups for $3.99. So these are super cute and adorable. Please don't let me break them. What else did we get? Oh, I got a ton of these little toys. Let me pull the bag off and down to the side where it's easier for me to grab and see what I've got. Oh, I bought a ton of these things, if I can find them. I bought so many. Oh my gosh, I've got so much stuff in this bag. Okay, so these little, I went to Poundland as well today, and I noticed that these little Octo poppin' Fidget Spinners were £2.50 in Poundland. Now you guys know Poundland doesn't, not everything costs £1 anymore. Some things are quite expensive. I was in Poundland. I saw these at £2.50. I didn't pick them up in Poundland. I'm really, really glad I didn't, because I went to Home Bargains and I saw these little Octopus Spinners. I really like the fact that they're poppers. So you've got your little popping bit. You've got your spinner. And you also have the little bit that goes from happy to sad. So we've got, let's try that again. We've got happy, we've got sad, and these were 49p, which I think is awesome. So I decided to pick some of these up to put into the charity packs that I'm going to be doing way later in the year. But I purchased 5. I actually wish I purchased 5. So all total, I got all of these 5 for the price one would have cost me in Poundland. So I was a little bit disappointed with Poundland, because I thought that was really super expensive. And I kind of wish I had gotten more. And the next time I'm down at Home Bargains, if I see them, I will purchase more, because that is a true bargain. Next thing that I got, I am in love with face masks at the minute. I don't know why, but I love them. I love them. I love them. So I purchased these little face masks. We have, I think, 2 of each. Do we have 2 of each? Yep, we have. Should have organized that better. I have 2 of each. These are the ice cream clay face masks. And I purchased 2 of each. So what I'm going to do is just take 1 of each so I can show you, because it's much easier to manage that way. They did have chocolate. I used the chocolate one before, and the smell of the chocolate was way too sweet. And when I put my face mask on, it was a bit overwhelming for me. So today I decided not to get the chocolate one. I have used these before. These are skin treats. And they come in 4 different scents. The chocolate ice cream, which I didn't purchase, the strawberry face clay, the banana face clay, which smells delicious, and the ice cream clay face mask. These are infused with natural extracts. So this one is natural vanilla to cleanse and refresh, with banana to cleanse and refresh, and with strawberry to cleanse and refresh. I really like these face masks. They are 50p, 49p each, which I think is a bargain, but they are really thick. They're really almost creamy clay texture, but my face always feels really clean and fresh once they're done. I'm slightly addicted to these at the minute. I think they're fantastic. If you guys have used these, let me know in the comment section below. They're also vegan friendly, and they're not tested on animals. So that is pretty amazing. But yeah, guys, if you've tried those, let me know in the comment section below. I have picked up quite a few of these because I think they're also fantastic. These again are skin treats. These face masks are, it says selfie, #my skin treat. They're super smoothing printed face masks. You get 2 in a pack. You get the sweet donut, which looks exactly like this, and you get the sweet strawberry, which is exactly like this. They're sealed for freshness. They smell like donuts and strawberries. They are amazing. So let me see if we can show you. I am going to put this into a little gift set, but it's fine to just open the back a little bit so I can show you guys. Again, they're vegan friendly. But these are the sheet masks. They are absolutely saturated in all good oils and moisture boosting oils. But how cute are these? They're so adorable. I also like the fact that they have quite a good, you know, the bits that they cut out around your eye. They've quite they seem to fit a lot better. You can overlap the sides, and it just means that my whole face is getting refreshed. I do use these. These are going into a gift set, but I have about 20 of these. But I picked up another pack when I was there today because I am addicted to face masks. So guys, let me show you what else I found. I found this really adorable little tropical swirl lip gloss. It's got peaches and whites and pinks, but it's also got glitter. Can you see the sparkle? But it comes with this adorable little attachment. This can be detached. If I show you guys, it can be detached from the lip gloss and added to your keychains, but it is super cute and adorable. This was only 79p, and this is going to be another little item that I use either for a giveaway or that I put into the charity packs. But I thought that was really cute and adorable. I thought this was so much fun. A Poppet pencil. This pencil is this a pen? And it didn't have a lid, or maybe I picked one without a lid. So this is a black pen, which I probably will keep and use. But how gorgeous is this? Rainbow style effect, but it also has a poppet at the top. These were only 79p, and I just thought they were so much fun. And the little the poppet at the top is actually stuck on, which is amazing because these little things have a tendency to expand and fall off. But how cute is this little poppet? It came in different styles. It had a unicorn. I love unicorns, but I wanted to get something a little bit more generic. So I bought the star. It also came in like a little dinosaur head. I really like the star. It has one single poppet, which I think is pretty awesome. I didn't notice if there was a lid or a top with these pens. I picked one without one. I don't really mind that anyway, but I think it's cute and adorable, and I'm super excited to buy that. Now, so I only have 2 more items left. I'm sure you will be grateful for, and both of these items are really so cute. So I purchased this Friends, the television series, set of 4 hot chocolate syrups. We have cinnamon, salted caramel, we have peppermint, and vanilla flavored syrups for sweetening and flavoring hot chocolate. Guys, these are so cute. Let me hold them straight. Look at how cute these are. So they all say Central Perk, and it just tells you, are they glass? They are glass bottles. I was kind of wondering because they're quite weighty. They're all glass bottles, which I think is amazing. I love the fact they're for hot chocolate and not for coffee, because not everybody loves coffee. I do, but nearly everybody loves hot chocolate. So these are so stinking cute. And they're friends. These were a bargain price. These, you get 4 45 milliliter hot chocolate syrups. They're best before, the only thing is they're best before the 8th of the 31st of the 8th, 2022. I mean, I don't think syrup goes out of date really fast. So these could actually be, depending upon when this video goes up, these could already be out of date. But I think they're so stinking cute. I really, really like them. These won't last 5 minutes in my house anyway. So they're currently not out of date, but I usually video a lot of videos. So I don't know when this one would be going up, but how cute are they? I think they're adorable. I probably will open those and start using them right away. And then I purchased this. So this is so cute. And I purchased 2 of these because my nephews, I know they're pink, but my nephews won't care. My nephews love little treats. And this is an ice cream sundae set with sprinkles, popcorn, and mallows. This little set is so adorable because it has the glass. Now, this is actual glass. Inside it has a lot of popcorn. It has this really deep spoon, which I love. It has sprinkles and a little unicorn up here. Again, my nephews will not care. They will want what's inside and not the packaging. And then you've got a whole pack of marshmallows to make your ice cream sundae. This box is huge. Inside, you get a 12-ounce sundae glass with a spoon, honey flavored popcorn delish, marshmallows, colored sugar sprinkles, and a chocolate flavor unicorn. This looks absolutely amazing. And guys, I got this on offer for $1.99. I think that is pretty decent deal. So I purchased 2 of these, one for one and one for the other. Obviously what I probably will do, will take them out of the boxes because they're for the boys. I'll take them out of the boxes and just give them what's inside, because they won't care about the boxes. They just want what's inside and they want the sundae. So this is great because this will be a little activity for me to do with them. And also they get to keep everything inside and eat it. And so they will be super, super happy about that. Well, guys, I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please smash that like button. Don't forget about the notification bell. And if you want to join us more often, don't forget about the subscribe button. We'd really love to have you here. Guys, leave any comments below. Please be nice. I will try to come back and answer any questions or heart your comments just as soon as I can. But in the interim, I really hope you all stay safe. Really hope you all look out for each other. And I'm going to catch you next time. Bye, everybody. Bye.